It's Harvey Clinger again with the brand new Google Nexus phone. Yeah, Jimmy is such a great cameraman. I got Jimmy doing the camcorder for me. Anyway, we're walking around where I live. We're in the daytime now. The last time you saw my video was 7 o'clock in the morning. It was still on drugs. Prescription drugs, okay? Yes, vitamin C, vitamin A. Well, you know, I have bad eyes, bad legs, bad knees, bad attitude. But anyway, we're walking around here, and I'm in my socks right now. Check this out. Harvey Clinger, and I'm a good singer. Got my reading glasses on. I'm practically blind now. We're walking around the block with my Nexus camcorder. I mean, Nexus phone with a somewhat high quality camcorder. Check the green grass. Ooh, man. Look how green the grass is. I love the green. Green matches my teeth. Okay, I'm going to walk back home. Anyway, I live here in Honolulu, Hawaii. Kahakai Drive. So if any of you young ladies want to come by, you know, Honolulu, Hawaii, Kahakai Drive, okay? Yeah. Anyway, we're just walking around just showing this Google Nexus phone. The reason why I got the Nexus phone is because Microsoft bought the Sidekick company and they lost all of our data. Plus, they weren't planning on developing a Sidekick. Hello? A Sidekick in Microsoft? Yeah, right. Okay, but anyway, so I decided to ditch the Sidekick and go with a Google. Ooh, here's some more green. Ooh, look how green it is here in Hawaii. Look at that. Yeah, I love this phone. I can't use a keyboard for crap, though. Not with these big old monkey hands. But anyway, it's another camcorder review of the Google Nexus phone. I'm trying to learn to use it. Still having some glitches on it because I can't use the keyboard. I'm used to a real keyboard, not this virtual keyboard. But I'm used to a virtual girlfriend. Yeah. Anyway, here's my, got to show you my vehicle. This is my Porsche. That's how I get around. Anyway, we're going into the house now. I'm actually inviting people from YouTube into my house. And we're back home again. It's going to get a little dark over here. So anyway, thank you for watching. Here's my law library right here. All right. Okay, we got Cowie watching TV. I don't want to show Cowie. I'll show his boxing. Look at his boxing hands. Show the boxing hands, Cal. Oh, look at that. Anyway, that's the kid boxer. Remember my video? The kid boxer. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is Harvey Clinger, and I'm a good singer. Remember, do this, don't do that. You can do this, but don't take this finger away. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Oh, you can't.